How to use AI for your benefit. My name is Khavar Nehal, and I represent Applied Technology Research Center, Remote Support, and Muftasoft. AI, which is the acronym for Artificial Intelligence, it isn't about replacing humans, it's about amplifying them. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to identify where AI fits into your workflow, how to use it safely, and how to turn it into a consistent advantage in your daily life and work. AI excels at speed, scale, and pattern recognition. It can draft emails, it can parse spreadsheets, it can help you brainstorm ideas, and sometimes it surfaces insights which you might have missed. But it doesn't understand context, ethics, or nuance like a human. The biggest benefit comes when you pair the AI speed with your human judgment. Start by matching AI to your biggest bottlenecks. Do you need to save 3 hours a week? You can automate drafting or summarization. You want to upskill faster? Use AI as a tutor or practice partner. The key is in being specific. Tell AI exactly what you need, in what format, and for what audience. And in cases when you don't get exactly what you want, try different prompts until you get what you want. AI rewards clear instructions and disciplined use. Write prompts that include the role, the context, the desired format, and the boundaries. When you do get the answers, you have to fact check the outputs, especially for data, quotes, or decisions. Based on my own experience, what I've noticed is that generally AI performs at the level of a person with up to 5 years of experience. If you have experience of more than 5 years in the subject, you will be able to notice that where it is making mistakes or it is giving information which is not actually matching the reality. You do not need to master every AI tool. Pick one high friction task, apply the AI which is suitable for it, measure the results, and iterate. Make and keep a prompt library of what works. Update the prompts with improvements as you go along. The AI landscape moves fast, so continuous learning is your real competitive advantage. Start small, stay intentional, and let AI handle the routine so you can focus on what only you can do. Thank you for taking the time to see this presentation. I hope you found it useful. Please provide feedback so I can improve my courses. We have many other brands and services related to different topics. To provide feedback or ask any questions, please contact on the information provided.